What's going on, guys? I got the shower all done. Starting to thunderstorm, so Ozzy's following me around. Put the shower door up. And I put the backing on. Put all of the pieces up there. And that glue finally dried. But everything seems to be pretty solid. Not bad. Not bad at all. You know, one thing that ended up happening was when you put this together and you cut your hole for your valve, make sure you put the back on and then put this on and put this piece on. Now what ended up happening was we took this piece, I didn't have this piece on there, we took this piece, pushed it all the way over there, marked it, and then cut the hole. So we were somewhat, we were off, okay? But here's the other thing. It actually, luckily, it actually worked for us, not against us. So the only thing we really did was we just moved the valve over. Now, here's the other thing. The hole that we did right here, since we moved everything over here, as you can see, it's actually pretty center. If we were to put this here and then put the panel here, the hole, this probably would have been sitting somewhere out here. So it wouldn't have even been center with this panel. So it actually worked out really, really well. You know, considering what we did. I mean, like I said, that's actually, that's pretty center with the shower. And if that were over a bit, I think it would look pretty awkward. So it actually worked for us, not against us. So I would say that if you are going to put one of these in, that you drill your hole in the middle of that, of this panel, and move your valve and your head to be the center. Because I think that would look really, really silly if it was over there. And that's exactly where it would have been. And I think if we would have done that and then drilled the hole and then put it on there, I don't think I would have been really satisfied with that. I think looking at it, I probably would have been a little upset because it wouldn't have been centered on the panel. But the door went in pretty good. Not a lot of work I had to do with it. So didn't have to do a lot. You know, I mean, it was pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. One of the things that I do want to say about this is I really like this setup, and one of the reasons why I like this setup is if somebody wants to come in and turn this back into a full bathroom and put a tub in here, you don't have to cut any of this. You don't have to get rid of any of this. It'll come out in 3 pieces. The door here will come out, and you could actually pull this whole thing out, and you could actually either sell it. I don't know how many people would really actually want to buy a used 3/4, but you never know. Or you could take it out and you could put it in another bathroom. So I didn't really think about that until today, that I actually really do like its versatility in that type of manner. To where if I really don't like it, or if the next owner doesn't really like it, all they have to do is just basically cut around, because they're going to have to cut around it anyway to put in a tub. So they just cut around it, pull out those screws, and all 3 of those pieces will come out. You just gotta and then unscrew the base, unscrew the drain, and you're good to go, man. So I really like the versatility in this shower. Technically speaking, if I was a builder, I'd probably be putting these in all of my new construction. If it was going for if you were putting 3/4 bedroom bathroom, this is what I would actually suggest new builders and new homeowners to actually do, because it's so versatile. You know, I mean, you don't. It'd be really easy to take out compared to the full bath that I had to take out. Now, if you put a full bath in there and you want to take that out, it's going to be a pain in the ass, because you know you gotta move everything. You're not going to be. It's probably going to be one piece, so you're going to have to move all this stuff, and you're going to end up having to cut the bathtub, just like what I did. I had to cut it out and tear it apart. So, hey, you know this is actually very, very versatile. I love it. It's really, really nice too. It went together very, very well. I'm actually pleased with it. So, I also got the cement board down. I'll be mortaring and screwing down the cement board probably tonight. Right, buddy? And then after the cement board, I can start laying the tile down, start mocking the tile. Like I said, it doesn't really, it's pretty square as far as the bathroom goes, so I don't think I'm going to be making a lot of cuts. The only cuts that I really see that I will be making are the cuts right there by the door. Sorry, buddy. That's about it. But other than that, I mean, as soon as I get what's tomorrow? Friday? Tomorrow will be Friday. The stuff should be pretty set and well off by the time I start putting the tile down. So I'll be getting the MGB this weekend, and it'll be coming home. So, oh, that'll be so great having the MGB back in here. Because, you know, one of the reasons why I didn't really want to bring it out here yet was because there was still a whole bunch of stuff. We were moving a whole bunch of stuff around in the garage and things. But, alright, take it easy, guys. Right, Oz? Say bye, buddy. Yeah, he's a little upset. A thunderstorm, and the plumber was out here, so he was getting a lot of love, and now he's all depressed. That's okay, buddy. Alright, guys. Peace.